She has the Igglybugs. So are you. Igglybugs. We need to spook her. Boo. I thought it worked for a second. Yeah.